this is Stumpy and welcome to a display video. Another video inside of Stumpy's lovely world. And today, in this video, I have a multiplayer. So I'm single player. Okay, let's sleep now. There we go. So let's go out in my bedroom. Wait. We'll change my clothes. And my boots. There we go. Let's go. And I am Andre. Let's go to the castle. Wait, it's hung. Oh, there. Wait. There we go. So, how are we gonna go inside? Oh, yeah. There we go. And this is my castle, and this is my table. So, this is my bedroom. And let's go up. Hey, so this is my lovely world, and let's go to my love garden. There you go. Let's fly and let's go out in here. There we go. There's my love garden, and in the side there's name is wait. There we go. There we go. I gonna be joining Ability Squid tomorrow, and in the next video I gonna be joining Ability Squid, and in the heart there's sun, and oh, can't see. There we go. It's Stumpy's Love Garden, and let's go in my air balloon. There's my dog house, and there's my air balloon. And there's my child. This in their tower. Yeah, let's go in my air balloon. There we go. And this my tree house and my roller coaster. Let's go in my roller coaster. And I will show to you in my Canon. Wait, it's oh, there we go. Excuse me, excuse me, slime. Okay, we're fine. And there's my hospital, and there's my another challenge. Okay, let's go in my Canon. There we go. There's my Canon, and there's Baltic Squid Canon, blue one, and this my Canon in orange and white. Let's get some TNT. Oh, some wait for, just wait. Come on. Oh, just wait. It's oh, come on. Okay, we'll go back into my video, and I will end this video here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.